Hello everyone, this is Vivian. I'll be explaining to you the third experiment in our compiler lab today. So the third experiment is basically about a simulation of how a macro processor works actually. So what it does, it's nothing but to get a shorthand version of a program, a simpler version, and also it replaces the macro invocation with the corresponding statements. So let's take a look at how this simulation works. Let's take a look at the coding. Okay, so here we have the code. So we have a scanner class, and then we have strings. We initialize these strings A, C, and D. So next we have we get the size of the snippet from the user, which will be stored in integer n. Next, we'll ask the user to enter the snippet, to enter the code, and whatever we've entered, we'll store it in the string array w. So here's w. We'll store whatever we entered there, and we'll separate them each accordingly. We'll enter each term accordingly by using the for loop. And w of I is equal to s dot next, so each term is stored in the array wi. Next, what happens? Okay, here we use a for loop, and we check if let's say we have define pi. So what happens is, if wj dot equals to define, the word will be stored in the array c, and the value, let's say there's pi, so pi will be stored in array C, and the value of pi, 3.14, will be stored in array D. Next, we'll use flag is equal to flag plus 3, and we'll continue, and if we use not wj is equal to hash include, then we'll print the two quotations. Okay, next what happens is we use a while loop. While flag is not equal to n plus 1, we use an if statement, w of flag dot equals to c of y. So what happens is, okay, initially we put c of y as pi. So what happens here is, wherever there's pi, we'll print the value instead of the word. So that's what's happening here. So that's for the if statement, and in the else statement, the normal program is printed by using system.out.println w of flag plus quotations, and in the end we increment the flag. So that's how it's done, and I've already entered the output over here. So first the program asks for the size, which is 10. Next we'll enter the snippet. So the program is such: hash define pi 3.14 hash include studio.h int a pi float b. So what happens is, it'll be converted as such: hash include in studio.h int a semicolon 3.14 semicolon. So that's a simplified version of the program. So that's what happens in the simulation of the macroprocessor. So that's all for the program. Thank you.